Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out who shared your Instagram Reels. If you're curious about how to see the people who shared your content, stick around until the end of this tutorial, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you've launched the Instagram app and logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to switch to a professional account if you haven't done so already. If you're not sure how to do that, check out my other videos for a quick guide. Switching to a professional account unlocks extra features, including the ability to see who shared your Reels. Now that your account is set up, go ahead and tap on the Reel you want to check. Once you're viewing the Reel, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the Options menu. From here, select View Insights. If you can't see that option right away, make sure your account is set to Professional. This is key to accessing these features. Once you tap View Insights, you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown of how your Reel is performing. This includes data like the number of views, likes, comments, and shares. Under the Reel Interaction section, you'll see the number of people who have shared your Reel. However, a quick note. Due to Instagram's privacy policies, you won't be able to see the names of the users who shared your Reel, only the total number of shares. Instagram takes user privacy seriously, so you won't get any specifics about who shared it, but you can still gather useful insights to improve your content strategy. And that's it. You now know how to check how many people have shared your Reels on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.